I am so hungry, and we have like no groceries in the house, so what I did was I just made some rice and beans for myself. So yeah. And then I'm going to cook, I think, chicken cutlets tonight, because we had some chicken breasts. So I think I'm gonna make chicken cutlets and mashed potatoes for dinner. So I'm excited for dinner. But oh my god, the struggle when you don't have like what you're in the mood for in your house. Ugh, it sucks. Like right now I really want, I don't know, like something like freaking enchilada or something like that. I don't know. But I'm just trying to use what I have in my pantry. So rice and beans it is for now. And that's it. Who is it, Ophie? Who is it, Ophie? Who is it, Oph? Excuse me, please. Excuse me, Miss Girl. What happened, Oph? Who is it, Ophie? Who is it, Mama?
Isn't that the tiniest camcorder in the world?
It is.
Ooh, these look good.
Oh, there she goes. She's gonna start vlogging the food. Vlogging.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, wake up, yeah, oh yeah, wake up, yeah.
What's this?
This is good stuff.
I turned like what? Talked to you guys in so long. This week hasn't really been very eventful. It's just me and Hector working all week. Once the weekend comes, I'm sure we'll be doing some more fun stuff if it's not too hot. It's been so freaking hot lately. Like, we don't want to do anything. We just want to stay home. It's really, really bad. It's like that heat where there's like no type of breeze. It's just humid and sticky and just nasty, and we're not down for that. So but hopefully maybe this weekend we'll do something fun, maybe on Sunday, because we both have to work Saturday. But yeah, we'll see what happens, how the week goes. But it's been pretty much just us working all week so far. So I'm making something different today. I'm making chicken enchiladas. So I have in here already the chicken breasts, and they're all seasoned. And then what I do is I pour a can of Rotel diced tomatoes on top of it. So I pour that in there. Then you're gonna pour like probably a little bit less than this whole bottle that's left. Of some salsa. So I'm using the Kirkland salsa because, I don't know, I think it was on sale or whatever. It's not necessarily my favorite, but tastes good with this. So I'm gonna pour this in there. And then the last thing I pour in there is this Taco Bell seasoning. This one's my favorite. Like, there's a lot of different taco seasonings. I know, like, Old El Paso has some, and I think Ortega's another one. But I just really like the Taco Bell seasoning, and the original or the mild, I think it is, flavor ones are my favorite. So I use this, I pour this on top, but I only use half of it because there's already a lot of seasonings going on in here. So I just pour half of this on top of everything that's in here. And then once everything's in, you just mix everything up. God, this is so hard to do with my left hand. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's all covered, and you shouldn't see the chicken. Like, it should be submerged in this mix of salsa and seasonings. So once everything's mixed up, you're all ready to put it on. So I'm gonna put it on high, put the lid on. Ophie, really? So I'm gonna secure this. And that's gonna be on, yeah, that's on high, right? Yeah, okay. For about 4 hours. That's like the magic number for chicken breast for me. So we'll see how this is looking in about 4 hours. Ophie. Is that a good treat, Ophie? This is what happens when you're too lazy to take off your makeup with a makeup wipe before going in the shower. It's like, I feel like I got everything off, and then I come out and I'm like, what the hell? So now I have to use the makeup wipe after, and everything is just a hot mess. God, this lipstick is like no joke. Look at that. God, it's really stuck on there. Look at, ew. There's still little spots I could get to. I hate it when I don't take off my makeup before I go into the shower, because when I come out, if I'm wearing mascara or whatever, it gets like trapped in here, like on the inside part of my eye, and I have to like stick my finger in there, and I'm like, ooh, trying to get it out, and it hurts so bad. But it's like, I'm just so lazy, and I'm like, it's just easier to go in the shower and not wash my face first. And then I always pay for it later. When am I ever gonna learn? Alright. So that should be good for now. All this redness, I've had this for so many years, and I think it's rosacea. But I went to the doctor, like a dermatologist, and I told him, you know, what is this? How can I get rid of it? And he's like, oh, we could do a procedure to basically zap it out. And I'm like, I just wanted like a cream or something. I didn't want to like get a freaking laser or whatever it is to zap all this redness away. That scares me. And it's super expensive. So I don't know. I don't know what to do about it. If you guys know of any products or anything that can help with redness and rosacea, I'm willing to try it. Let me know. So the meat is finished, and I just shredded it up really quick, and I made one already. I spray Pam at the bottom of my glass pan, so that way the tortillas don't get stuck to it, because I used to not put the Pam, and when I used to pull the enchiladas out, they would all fall apart because they were stuck to the bottom. So I just put some Pam spray at the bottom, and then I'm using the Mission tortillas, and I just take some of the chicken, put it right into the tortilla, roll it up, and just put it right on the glass pan. And then I'll top it with some enchilada sauce and cheese, but I'll show you that once I fill this up. So I was able to fit 5 enchiladas comfortably in the pan. So I still have some leftover chicken. So what I do when that happens is I just scoop up the chicken and then just pour it on top of the enchiladas. I kind of like sprinkle it on there. Okay, so now I'm going to put my enchilada sauce. I topped all of them with the leftover chicken, and I'm just going to pour this on top. Okay, so it's all topped off with the enchilada sauce, and now I'm going to complete it with some cheddar jack shredded cheese. Alright, so it's all topped off with cheese. Now it goes into the oven, uncovered, just like that, for about, I'd say, like, depending on your temperature, like I have it at 385, so that's usually like 10 minutes maybe, but we like it really well done, so you guys may want it less if you try this out. And it goes. Oh, and I also made some Zatarain's dirty rice. It's like one of my absolute favorites. It's so freaking good. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the bathroom now that it's all painted. So here it is. You can see my little mistakes up there, but I'll fix that with some white paint eventually. So I got my little New Jersey, all the different beaches in Jersey, wall decor, wall art. And then I got my little seashell there. And I have another seashell up there. This, I still want to get cute stuff to put in here. I'm not going to keep paper towels. I may keep toilet paper rolls there, but the paper towels take up too much room. But I do want to put like some little succulents or something, make it look cute. Kind of similar to this little water fountain thingy I have here. But yeah, just trying to make it look nice and clean and, I don't know, more modern. I like this color a lot though. It came out really nice. I'm very happy.